There will be spoilers for Six of Crows from the very beginning of this video. Who is Kaz Brekker really? What lies beneath the image of a monster that only cares for money? That uses others for his own end without care for them? When everyone knows you're a monster, you needn't waste time doing every monstrous thing. The Kaz Brekker you see is built on many lies. The bastard of the barrel is not really from Ketterdam. He was born in a small village near Lidge in Kerch. This is a small island off the west coast of Shuhan. Ketterdam, where he claims to be from, is also on the island. To understand why he wears the gloves and rarely takes them off, you need to know about his brother, the moment that shapes him and drives him. There was no part of him that was not broken, that had not healed wrong, and there was no part of him that was not stronger for having been broken. His older brother was called Jordi. Their father's farm was sold upon his death, and they wanted to start a new life together. They became friends in Ketterdam with a boy Philip, who brought them to Jacob Hertzsoon. Jacob and his family gave them food and offered to invest the brothers' money in stocks to help them. After the investment, they returned to speak with him and found he had gone with their only money, leaving the brothers on the streets with nothing left to feed themselves or find shelter. With nowhere to hide, they caught the plague, called the firepox, as it swept through Ketterdam. Kaz's older brother died, and Kaz also was thought to be dead. A barge collected and took both bodies out to sea. Brekker, barely alive at this point, swam using his brother's body to stay afloat back to Ketterdam. The trauma meant that Kaz could no longer bear to have contact with someone else's skin, thus the gloves he wears. For the loss of his brother, Kaz swore revenge against Jacob Hertzsoon, who was in fact the barrel criminal Pekka Rollins. To gain revenge, Kaz killed his past, changing his surname to Brekker, and joined the gang known as the Dregs. With his ruthless planning, he rose through their ranks, making a success of the Crow Club, and so he built himself a legend and climbed his way to revenge, brick by brick. Thank you for checking out my video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for all notifications.